Noisia are absolute drum design legends. I was listening to their Arrakis remix the other day and noticed something super sneaky in terms of like structuring the track. I thought, yo, this needs to be a video. It's so simple and so effective. So I'm gonna break it down for you. First of all, I'll obviously play a little bit of the remix if you somehow haven't heard this one before. And that's enough so I don't get copyright striked. Fast, technical drums, and it's just classic Noisia, and that's why we all love it. Second drop is also very similar. Here's the thing, you guys, this drop is built on two different alternating sections. Let's call them A and B, and you can roughly see where it alternates based on the bass right here. Very similar, so two descending notes followed by thumpy basses, and that kind of repeats itself. Drums are also doing a similar thing in time with these basses. I attempted to recreate it. It's nowhere near as good as Noisia, so please bear with me on that. Slow pace. Faster pace. And the drums kind of repeat that alternating A and B section throughout the drop. With subtle differences, this one has fast rides, this one had normal kind of 8th ride pattern. There's an alternation within the alternation, classic Noisia. And then for the B section, faster paced drums, etc, etc. So super easy concept. Section A, slower drums, descending Reese notes. Section B, faster drums, punchy bass notes, and then so on with subtle differences. And here's the super simple thing that makes it even spicier for the second drop. I recommend you try this on your own tracks if you're stuck for what to do for a different drop, particularly in drum and bass. Drop 2. Bass is identical, two descending notes, thumpy basses. Yeah, we got that. So here's the thing that differs from drop 1. You'd expect slow drums for this bit, and then fast drums for this bit. And the sneaky thing is they switched that around. So they've introduced the fast drums for section A, and for the thump basses they switched out to the slow drums. So super easy to do. We'll take these drums right here, copy them, and we'll paste them over the thumps. And we'll take section 2 for the thumps and paste them to the descending Reese. They essentially just took the first drop, pasted it on the second, and then switched the drums around for the different sections. So if you're ever feeling stuck for ideas for a second drop, maybe do a switching bass and drums kind of shenanigans like Noisia have done. And yeah, that's it. Like the video if you did enjoy it. I do create sample packs. First link in the description if you want to check that out. Peace!